up, baby? I had to jump on here. I was just listening to some audios, and I heard this quote. And it's not the first one, but it just, for whatever reason, it just really resonated with me today. Maybe it'll resonate with one of you guys today. But and here's the quote, and I don't know who said it, whose quote it is, but the magic you're looking for resides in what you are avoiding. Now that's, I don't have it in front of me, but basically along those lines, the magic. So you have a kid that's playing a sport, and they want to make it to the show. They want to play pro, but they're not doing. And maybe it's a possibility for them, but that possibility is lying in the training and the grind and the blood, sweat, and tears that they're avoiding, because that's how the champions are made. Just with something going on in my life right now, that really kind of hit home, where that magic you're looking for is buried in the activities that I'm just avoiding. But yeah, let me know if that hits home with any of you. What's going on in your world? Thanks for riding shotgun, and we'll chat at the next road trip. Cheers.